Welcome in today's training for you if you are an expert business owner and you want to grow your expert business. Today I want to talk about content, what you are preparing for your webinars or workshops or challenges or presentations. And I want to give you 3 tips on what content to teach to convert. Not many mentors teach what kind of content you should use to convert, because probably many of them are copywriters or they have some other backgrounds and they can really write nice copies. Or maybe sometimes they just learn from other mentors and they learn from other mentors, and this is going on and on. Or maybe sometimes people just want to know what to post or what to say just to have engagement. Well, I'm not so much interested in that. I'm more interested in what content you should teach if you want to convert. So yeah, you can use it also for your post, but you should definitely also use it in anything where you warm up your potential clients, be it the events, the live events, virtual and in person, like workshop, webinars and presentation or whatever, be it also in your funnels or in other promotional materials you are doing, so that you pre-sell your clients. So when they are coming to the course, they already know that they want to work with you. I cannot cover everything. If you want to know more, you will have a possibility to dive deeper in the selling ingredients with my mini course. You will find the link below. But for now, I would like to give you 3 tips. The first one: show how different you are from others. Let me explain. But first, think for yourself. Why do people hire experts? Because they want to go somewhere and they either can't go there alone, they don't know how, they just don't know, or they want to go faster and cheaper because time is money. So these are primary 2 reasons why people hire experts. So if you want to talk to potential clients, they already know that they want to go somewhere, then you have to let them know how different you are from other providers, because they will check it out. If they do have a desire to achieve this outcome, they need to do due diligence. They will look what is all available for them, and they need to understand how different you are. So it can be, for example, your process, or it can be the way you are, because you maybe are the ingredient which makes difference. And you don't want it to be a price. You don't want that they compare you only on the price tag. I would like to give you an example from our business. So our motto is working smart, not hard. And this is really what differentiates us from the other service provider, because we help experts, female experts, to grow their business to 5-figure per month. But so does many other mentors and coaches. But what is different? We do it the smart way. Behind these words, there is a lot into it, right? So, for example, the simplification is necessary because, well, when experts are coming to us, they do many things, but not, maybe 80% of them are not really vital for their growth, or not at least at this stage. So there is a high personalization, which is great, because then you don't need to work so hard, right? So the help with focus, and because we help with focus what to do first, the results can come fast. So our clients experience already 5-figure months in the first months after working with us, most of them. Now think about What differentiates you from other similar service provider? Those people who have your dream clients and who are providing the same results. Now, let's go to the tip number 2. And this is make it situational. There is no good content if you don't put it into context, right? So that's why also other mentors, they tell you in your content to use stories, case studies, example. This is really good advice because otherwise our brain cannot really understand that. And this contextualization, it helps us to get it. So for example, now I could use an example of our client. Like when she came to us and when we work on her content and get rid of the 80% which was there, which didn't serve, and then we double on the 20% she had, she was able to get 5 people on the call from a webinar who attended 10 people. So it's a half of the audience. What it would mean for your business if you could convert double or triple of the clients you convert now, what it would mean for your business without working any harder. Right now, I have put it into the context. What I'm teaching you, converting content, what it can do for you. Isn't it more powerful? Like if I would give you just the 3 tips? It is. So think about your examples, how you can put everything into the context so that your potential clients can understand what it would mean when they would work with you. And our third and last tip for today is speak directly to your dream client. I think this is a difference between being a teacher and being a transformational coach, consultant, mentor. When we are really interested in helping people, helping them to transform, we cannot just teach. So we have to talk directly to our dream client about what they want to hear, telling about how they feel, what they want. So talking in your context directly to them, not about the expertise as such, but talking to them about what they experience, what they want, what they desire, and to put everything in this context will help you to make it real for them. So these were the 3 tips which I wanted to give you today. If you want to learn or improve your selling skills even further, go and click on the link below.